porch light here. We out in the garden, and we just gonna take a look and see what this diatomaceous earth done did. Oh, we still got some activity, folks. Okay. Well, I'll admit, we definitely got less, but we still got them here. Let's check this other bed. Hold on. Spider web. I don't see a lot over here, but yeah, I don't see any over here. But if you see it, this is coated real nice. Okay, so who a bee? Other bee. Oh. Okay, let's check this bed right here. Well, we got some activity there. Okay. So let's check this. Man, I laid this one up real nice, and I don't see anything over here. Okay. Let's check this guy. Same with this one. It looks like I got this one real good, and I don't see nothing. Let's check this guy. Okay. So, a little activity here, but they got a lot more higher places to go. See what the apple's hitting on. I ain't spray, I just want to look at the apples. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. Alright. Well, we can conclude that this stuff is working, but you definitely have to lay it on thick, and it may take some time to actually get up in there. And I want to water, but I don't know if I should. Alright, y'all. Well, I will keep you posted. This is the Diatomaceous Earth review, and I must say, it does work. Now, if you want something a little bit more, let's say, fast, you may want to go non-natural. We're going to try this and see how that works. We on a date. Porch light out.